Tribal Makers, this is Michalle Malev and welcome to my channel. In today's Tuesday combo, we're going to learn a fun beginner's fusion belly dance combination. It's 4 sentences, 32 counts, a fun follow-along dance tutorial. Come and play with me, learn some new skills, polish your previous ones. And before we begin, make sure you're warmed up, that you have a glass of water nearby. And I would like to say a quick thank you to all of my viewers and all of my subscribers. Thank you, you guys. And let's begin with the practice. On the first 8 counts, we're going to do 2 mambo steps. Now, mambo step is when I'm taking one foot forward, touching with the back leg, taking my foot back, and waiting a count. So on 4 counts, we have 1, 2, 3, wait. Same thing with the other side. So we have 1, 2, 3, wait. Let's look at it from the side. So we have 1, 2, 3, wait. Again, 1, 2, 3, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Let's do it again. We're having our arms here. We're positioning our arms on the hips. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now, as I'm doing the mambo step, I'm going to add my hips. When I'm taking my leg forward, I'm going to take my hip forward and I'm going to draw half a hip circle as I'm going with the step and taking the leg back again. So from the side, if we're looking at it, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, we have to the front, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. And allow the hips to go wherever they want to. Give them the freedom to make the movement as big as you want, as small as you want. You can make it sharp. You can really emphasize the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can really play with it if you want to. Now we're going to add our arms. So we're lifting the arm up on the count of 1 and we're going to pick a flower. So we're taking our arm up fast on 1. And as we're taking our arm up, we're combining the thumb with the middle finger and we're picking flowers. And we're picking flowers. And picking flowers. And picking flowers. When you're doing this movement, make sure that the fingers are strong and powerful. You're straightening the fingers. You're feeling the blood flow through the fingernails. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's add our arms to the feet. So from here we have 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Let's continue. On the next phrase, we're going to start with some upper body isolation. So we begin with 2 shoulder pushes to the front. So we have shoulder push, shoulder push. When we're working with our shoulders, we're trying to isolate our chest and our back, but most of the work will actually come from your pectoral muscles and from your back muscles. The deltoids and everything that's inside the shoulder is reacting to the action that's going on both here and to the back of the shoulder. So this is a great workout to all the muscles that are supporting your shoulders. So from here we have 1, 2. Imagine that there is a string that is pulling your shoulder forward on the count of 1, 2. So we have 1, 2. And we're trying to isolate the rest of the body and also not allow the other shoulder to get into the groove here. So it's only in one shoulder. The moment that we're isolating the movement to one shoulder and forcing the other shoulder to stay put, we're activating all the stabilization muscles that are here. So as we're working with our shoulders, we're actually working on all the muscles that are stabilizing the shoulder. And shoulder is one of the most commonly injured joints in the body, so working on it is really important for the longevity of our bodies. So from here again, we have 1, 2. Same thing to the other side, 1, 2. Good. Now after we did our shoulder pushes, we're going to do some chest shimmies. Now chest shimmy is all about working your upper back here. It's all about the space between your scapulas. All the muscles here are working, so you're pushing one scapula forward and the other back, and this way you're working on the upper back and all the action looks as if it's coming from your chest, but it's actually all about your back. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing to the other side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, On the 5, 6, 7, 8, we're going to cross our arm in front of us on the count of 5. And on 6, 7, 8, we're going to take our arms to the sides on 6 and raise it up again and do a small Floreo here. So this is actually quite fast. And if you paid attention to what I'm doing with my feet, from the basic dance posture, I'm transitioning myself into a cabaret stand, and I allow my hip to slide a little bit to the side here as well to create more lines and more interest in the body. So again, we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, so let's do the whole phrase to one side. We'll begin with 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, and when you're doing your Florero, make sure that you're working with your wrists. The rest of the arm might react to it, because if you're working with one part of your body, with one joint in your body, the joint next to it will react. So you will feel maybe a slight movement in the elbow, but try to keep it as minimum as you can. And also make sure that the fingers are strong here. It's all about maintaining this very elegant long fingers as you're doing this movement. So let's do the phrase to the other side as well. We have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. So let's do both phrases to both sides. We'll begin with the basic dance posture. Take a deep breath. Make sure that the knees are not locked and there is a tilt in your pelvis. And from here we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Same thing to the other side. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Let's continue. On the next phrase, we're going to take one arm down, focusing on the palm of our hand and creating palm waves on 4 counts. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. When you're creating a palm wave, you're working with every joint in the palm of your hand. So start by raising the knuckles here up, and you're basically creating a rooftop with the palm of your hand, and relax it. Rooftop, relax. Rooftop, relax. Now, as you're relaxing your rooftop, you're allowing the fingers to move a little bit here. So you can look at it as rooftop, tiger fingers, because you're like, rah! You're working with your fingers here and the fingernails, but make it a little bit more relaxed, because we don't need this unless this is the stylization you're going for. So from here we have rooftop, rest of the knuckles, relax. Rooftop, next to all the rest of the knuckles, relax, and then slowly make it into a fluid movement and allow the wrists to join in as well. Good, so from here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the 5, 6, 7, 8, we're going to do 2 shoulder rolls to the back. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. And when you're finishing taking your arm down, so we're taking it down to 3, 4. On the 5, 6, 7, 8, as we're doing the shoulder roll to the back, put the palm of your hand on your hips here. So we're isolating the movement in the shoulder, and we're taking our shoulders backwards on 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a really fun movement. So again, from here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can be very flirty with it. Let's do the same thing to the other side. So from here, we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Now let's do the 3 phrases to both sides. We start with the beginning. So take a deep breath, basic dance posture. And from here we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Now let's do the other side as well. So take a deep breath. We're in the basic dance posture. And from here, 5, 6, 7, smile. Pick a flower. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoulder, 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 shimmy. With the arms transitioning and arm going down with the palm wave to shoulder rolls. Beautiful. Let's continue. On the last 8 counts, we're going to take down our arm here. So we're going to frame our face and frame our body on the count of 1, 2, 3, 4. So from here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm taking the arm down by the side of my cheek here, putting it down to the side of my body and placing the palm of the hand on the hips. So again, from here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the 5, 6, 7, 8, we're going to add 2 cheeky shoulder rolls to the back. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a really flirty phrase. You can play with it and play with your mimics and play with your expression. You don't have to if you don't want to, but it really works well with us. Like, look at my face, look at my body, and yes, I know I'm powerful, and I know that I'm sensual, and I know that I'm beautiful in this positioning of the body. So we're doing the same thing to the other side. Let's lift our arm up, and from here we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on the 8, make sure you're taking your heel down. This way we're transitioning into flat feet. If you can actually cheat a little bit and maybe steal a centimeter or quarter of an inch to the side to make sure you're back into your basic dance posture, that will be great. You don't have to, because when we're getting into our mambo step, it doesn't really matter. You can always position your feet afterwards into the basic dance posture. And that's it. So let's do the full combination on both sides. So all 4 phrases to both sides. We'll start with this one. And we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job, everyone. Now let's play with the music. 5, 6. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Other side. Shoulder, shoulder, shimmy. Arms. Going down, 2, 3, 4. Shoulder. Showing off. Shoulder. Pick a flower and another one. Shoulder, shoulder, shimmy. Arms. Cheeky smile. And enjoy the music. Enjoy your body. Shoulder, shoulder, shimmy. Don't forget to work with your eyes and your face throughout the whole dance. One. And pick another flower. And shoulder. Down. Pose. Great job, everyone! I hope you enjoyed the practice. If you did, give me a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Join the tribe. I upload new Tuesday combos on Tuesdays, so you're more than welcome to check out previous tutorials, mix and match combinations, create your own dances with them. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video. And remember, life is too short. Enjoy it. Bye!